Recently, PlayStation has released the new Gran Turismo 7 racing game. There are lots of people posting videos throughout YouTube with both positives and negatives about the game. Since the beginning of the pandemic, there are lots of race drivers stayed and worked from home with racing simulators. Many people also begin their journey of purchasing these race sim rigs with wheels, pedals, and racing seats. When I was young, I had this Mad Catz wheel for my PS1 while I was playing this drifting game called Shutika Battle Drift King. I had a lot of fun with it. It was only a portable wheel with pedals. Then the PS2 came. I had a chance to play Gran Turismo 3 with just a controller. It was a real breakthrough compared to anything I had ever played. After that, I have never played any racing games at all. When I saw videos of everyone posting their racing sim rigs, I'm amazed how much technology had grown as real race drivers are using these for their practices. But there is a catch: all these race sim rigs come with a price. The most that are mentioned through the videos I've watched are Logitech, Thrustmaster, and Fanatec. The price range are somewhat high between the three, however, according to users. They also give users different type of feedbacks. The more economical one being the Logitech G29/G923 wheel set that comes with wheel, pedals, and a shifter. The wheel looks very decent with leather materials wrapping around the wheel. This comes with a price of around $400 on their official website. But most users don't recommend this because the lack of realism feedback from the wheel to the pedals. According to user reviews, the wheels don't give adequate force, and the pedals are light and not very accurate. The same goes for the shifter for being way too light when shifting through different gears. That is if you pay extra for buy the shifter itself. The Thrustmaster T248, being a relatively newer wheel and more economical wheel from their products, is much more of a race sim wheel set compared to the Logitech. This wheel is more of a beginner's wheel if you are new to race sim rigs, and it is more wallet friendly to most of us. It cost around $400 on their official website. Even though the price stands are similar to the Logitech wheel set, it is still known to have better technology and realism in comparison. This is only the beginner's wheel. There are plenty of wheel you can choose from, and there are also upgrades available for their wheel set, but of course, everything comes with a price. Last but not least, the Fanatec DD Pro is the ones that is most widely seen on YouTube race rim rigs. Whether it is a vlogger demonstrating the race sim or a Formula 1 driver streaming their practices at home, they all use this wheel set. The basic wheel set cost around $700, and there is a long list of items you can upgrade from this wheel. This list is so long, you are going to have to check it out on your own, as I'm not sure if most of us want to spend that much out of the bank to get this serious if you are not an actual race driver or an actual esport race driver. Let me know in the comments which wheel set you might want to purchase for your first race sim rig. I'm considering one for myself as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.